Hi everyone, it's Mel from Sweeney Hire, and today we're going to give you a quick run through of the tiller. We did start this one to just see how it operates because I've never operated it before today. So we'll give you a quick run through of how to start the machine and then a bit of a demo of it in action. Right, so let's get into it. So to start, you've got your fuel, turn that on. This one is petrol. Choke is in the right position because I forgot to turn it back, so it goes from here to here. This is your gears for neutral and each speed. There's a reverse as well. Okay, so you turn it on here, and you've got your differential lock if you need it. Differential.
It's only if you're in a bit of looser ground or boggier ground, I suppose.
Yeah. And then you just pull the start. At the moment we have the guide up, so we'll see how that goes. Come on, get in here. Look, have a little look. So we'll see how it goes like that. And we're in quite long grass, so we want to test it. nice and soft. Okay, so I'll turn off the machine and then we'll go back and look at the grass. So I've already put it in neutral. So as you can see, I was changing from forward to reverse to turn. So pop it back into neutral, turn down the throttle, switch it off here, and just switch off your fuel here. So it's actually starting to rain. So we'll just give you guys a couple of notes. As you can see in the video, we started with this up, this guide, but then a little bit through we decided to put it down, and it actually made a huge difference. As you could also see, we started working on quite deep grass versus this section here which has no grass. So if we take a quick walk back down, you can see how one run here, it's nice and soft. You can see my boots like are leaving quite an impact. Down here we did 2 or 3 runs to get it more to that state, but we deliberately didn't cut the grass because we wanted to see what it would do. So even with 2 or 3 runs without trimming it first, it is quite soft. A bit of a kick for you guys. But yeah, it does a pretty good job. I'm pretty impressed with it, and there was a couple of stones there that we didn't know was under all this grass, but you could hear it clink, but it didn't stop it by any means. So yeah, we hope this video helped give you a demo of what this machine can do. Like we said, we'll probably do a blog post on this where you can get more of the stats and a written how-to of how to operate it, and we'll put in the dimensions. I think it's 600 wide is the width that it rotates to. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. We're going to get in out of the rain. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment below and tell us what you thought of this video, any other videos you'd like to see, because we want to create the content that you guys want to see. So cheers.